Hey guys, my name is Kaila Kake and welcome to my channel. So today we are doing a length check as well as showing you guys how I straighten my hair. So if you know me, you know I have big curly hair and I basically get it super duper straight and people will be shook. So here we are. So I already did a video on how I straighten my hair. It was about a year or so ago and it got over 1 million views, so thank you guys so much for that, and thank you to everyone that stayed after that video and subscribed from that video. I really do appreciate it. So today we are doing a update as well as a length check. So yeah, if you can see, this is how long my hair is right now. It is extremely long and it is a lot to deal with, so we're just gonna get into it. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and follow me on Instagram at Kaila Kake, where I will be showing you guys a lot more of my hair, servant looks. Y'all know what I do, so follow me on Instagram and let's just get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I straighten my hair first, and then we're gonna get into the length check at the end of the video. So if you do want to see what products I use, what hot tools and techniques I use basically to straighten my hair and get it this straight, like a whole blowout from a salon, because girl, this is literally where I learned how to do my hair, a salon. So yeah, if you want to see all that, watch how I straighten my hair, but we're gonna get into the length check at the end of the video. So without further ado, let's get started with that part. Okay, so starting off with my hair being dried in a t-shirt. I love drying my hair in a t-shirt, keeps the moisture, very soft on my hair. Y'all just try it, like I said. But my hair is basically like 80% dry, but I still do want to blow dry it straight. As you can see, it's curly. So I'm gonna go in with the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. This thing is a game changer. Okay, like what? Y'all need this product. It fights humidity. It makes my hair basically not poof up when I go outside, and it just makes my hair super soft, super sleek, and it lasts way longer than it usually does. So I'm putting a good amount, basically just covering the strands. I don't want my hair soaked in this stuff clearly, but just spray enough so that your strands are covered. And then I go ahead and hit my ends just to make sure that they're really protected. So onto blow drying, I'm going to be using this blow dryer that I'm not going to mention just because I did end up switching to a much better blow dryer later. So we'll talk about that. But a key tip, y'all, detangle your hair as best as you can. This is very important because you do not want to blow dry any tangles into your hair, and you also don't just want to be like tugging on your hair while you're blow drying it. It's just going to hurt. It's going to cause tension damage, and y'all, trust me, you just don't want it. So try to detangle your hair as best as you can. I would recommend while you're in the shower with conditioner in it. It just makes it easier to slip through. So now I'm going to show you guys the motions that I do with the blow dryer. So I take my brush and I'm kind of opening the hair up just to make sure that my scalp is dry, that the hair is actually dry. And then after that, I'm going to take little pieces of the section that I have and go down it with the brush and the blow dryer to basically straighten and stretch my hair out. So my biggest tip always is to make sure that you blow dry your hair until it is straight, not until it's dry. So this section is pretty much dry. Now I'm just going to keep going down with the brush and the blow dryer just to make sure that my hair is nice and stretched out. And I'll show you guys the difference in just a second, but it makes a big difference in how long your hair lasts, how sleek your hair gets, all that. So as you can see, this one side is a lot more stretched out and the other side is poofy. It's shrunken up. So, you know, you can really get the length that you really want. So I'm going to speed it up, but I'm pretty much just doing the same motions, opening up the hair to make sure that everything is dry. And then after that, I'm going to go in and go down the strands to make sure that I'm getting the hair nice and stretched out, nice and straight, you know, all that good stuff. So another tip that I do want to say is every time you straighten your hair, make sure that you look at it and see your progress. So in the middle of my hair right here, it's a lot shorter. It's a lot like, it's a whole different texture. You can't really tell because you're not here to touch my hair, but it's a whole different texture. It's a lot more fragile as well. So as you can see, it's shorter and it does break off sometimes. So I do always make sure that I check the progress of this section of hair. I think about maybe a year ago, it was like 3 inches long, and now it's, you know, getting pretty long. So I'm actually proud of the progress. Like I said, make sure that you're looking at your hair and assessing your progress. that is very important. I only straighten my hair about 4 times a year, so I always make sure that I include this in my my process. So yeah, here's a blow dryer that I really love. It is from years ago, like high school, and it works so well. So shout out to Revlon, because y'all stuff really lasts, okay? And yeah, I'm just gonna make sure that I get the other pieces as straight as possible, because the other blow dryer just was not doing it for me. So I do want to address heat damage, because a lot of people had their concerns in the other video that I did. And honestly, my hair, I consider heat damage for me, since I'm a curly girl, I consider heat damage my curls not curling back up. I'm fully aware that every time you put heat on your hair, it does get damaged. It's heat, of course, but to me, I feel like heat damage is when my curls do not curl back up. And also, I know you can see the smoke going on. It's only because I have product in my hair. If I didn't have product in my hair, it wouldn't smoke up like this. But yeah, so just make sure that you're, blow drying your hair or putting enough heat that your hair can handle. Don't go crazy. My hair can handle high amounts of heat, so I'm not worried. And like I said, my hair always curls right back up as soon as I, get in the shower and wash my hair. So as you can see, blow dried, it's basically right under my boob. And when I put it all to the back, which I'll show you guys at the end of the video, it's basically like a little bit more than halfway down my back. But like I said, once again, make sure you look at your hair, look at the state of your hair, just assess your hair, because this will be very important to see your progress. If you're on a hair journey like me and you're not like a YouTuber or anything, you can write it down, record it on your phone, anything like that, just to keep up with everything. Now going in with my Remington flat iron. This thing is so good. I got it so long ago, so hopefully it's still available. I'll try to link it down below for you guys. But yeah, it gets my hair so straight, and you're gonna see in just a second. Okay, subtle flex. But I'm gonna chase my hair with a brush instead of a comb. Again, like I said in my other video, guys, if your hair is thicker, try a brush out, because I feel like I can't really get a good grip with a comb, and the brush works perfectly for thicker hair in my opinion. So yeah, try out a brush if you're having problems with the comb, and it comes out really good. Also, another thing I did want to address is that I do kind of do one more pass towards the end, just because my hands, oh my god, y'all, I hope I don't have carpal tunnel or anything like that, but I can't keep the grip of the flat iron on the ends of my hair, so I just hit it one more time just to make sure that it's really straight, and then I dust my ends. So yeah, showing you guys in real time, this is how slow I go. The flat iron is on 420. Like I said, my hair can take high amounts of heat, so I'm not worried about any type of damage as far as my curls not curling back up. I know heat damages your hair, like I said, but yeah, my hair always curls back up, so my hair can just take high amounts of heat. If your hair cannot take high amounts of heat, do not do it on 420, guys, okay? Do it as much as your hair can handle. If you straighten your hair before, you know how much your hair can handle. And also, don't let hairdressers, flat iron your hair above what you think your hair can handle. It is very important to really talk to your hairdresser and not just sit there on your phone on Instagram. Make sure that you guys are in tune with what she's actually, or he, the guys have been killing it lately now. I gotta give them props. But make sure that you guys are in tune and you're communicating with your hairdresser, so that, you know what they're doing to your hair, as well as she can tell you how to properly upkeep your hair after you leave the salon, so that you can get results like this at home. So that's just what I did. I went to my hairdresser, paid attention, asked her some questions, and now I'm able to do this at home. And now the only time I really go to her is just to get my ends trimmed, because I've learned how to do this myself. I've learned the process and everything. So if you guys are still scared and, don't know what to do, if you live in the DMV area, definitely go to her. Tell her that Kaila sent you, and she will take care of you, and your hair will look so bomb, okay? Like, so good. If you guys want to see, every time she's done my hair, check out my hair journey video. I'll link it down below for you guys to watch, as well as the first time that I flat iron my hair, because that's also kind of a link check. And yeah, but she's really good, super educated, so check her out. She's really sweet, and she just leaves your hair looking so good. Like, I just can never get over it. She does such a good job. So yeah, I'm basically almost to the top and pretty much almost done. And another tip I can give you guys is make sure that you get those edges, okay? Get them edges, girl. Do not be afraid to get them edges. This side is super straight, very sleek. As you can see, it's very flowy, not stiff. Girl, stiff wear, okay? And the other side is not flat ironed yet. But as you can see, my hair got even longer once I flat ironed it. Like, girl, I don't even think I can handle all this hair, y'all, okay? So I'm gonna need a little haircut or something. All right, so now for my favorite product ever. It is this OGX oil. It leaves my hair so moisturized, looking shiny. It has a really good luster when I put it in my hair. Don't put a lot because you don't want to weigh your hair down. But again, this oil is so weightless, so good. So definitely try this out, y'all. But yeah, it's just important to keep your hair moisturized and everything. And I don't use a lot of water-based products because, like I said, my hair is curly. So we don't want it to revert or anything like that. So this is an oil that really, really helps. And here is my length check, y'all. This hair is so long. Like, where did she get all this from? I'm shook, okay? But yeah, I can barely even handle all this hair, to be honest. It is a lot, okay? And then imagine it when it's curly. Girl, I'm daggone near drowning in hair. But you know what? I don't mind because I want it even longer, low-key. So yeah, this is my length check. And I'm not using my Sugar Bear hair anymore. So this is like, girl, the growth is just natural. I wanted to see where I can get naturally. I think those are all the frequently asked questions. My hair color, my race for whatever reason, hair growth secrets, and yeah, I think that's it. Also, I do want to address the salon that I go to get my ends trimmed, and she blows my hair out like no other. Like, even if this looks good, like, she makes my hair look even better. And she does work in a studio out of Bowie, Maryland, I believe. A salon out of Bowie, Maryland. So definitely check her out. I'll leave her information down below if you want to book her. I think 1 or 2 people have went to her, you know, telling them that I sent her, and their hair came out so bomb. So shout out to y'all. Make sure you go there and tell her that I sent you, because she is so good. Like, she's so good. If you don't feel comfortable doing your own hair, she is bomb. Just ask her what she's doing and she'll help you, walk you through it on how to maintain your hair after you leave her and all that type of stuff. So yeah, she's really educated and super talented. I love her so much. So shout out to you, sis. I will be coming to see you soon because these ends need to be trimmed. Okay, so lastly, I did want to talk about my hair goals before I actually show y'all like the length of my hair. You can kind of see it now, but I want to show it like in the back and everything. But really quick, I want to talk about my hair goals. So I did have a hair goal by my birthday last year that my hair be mid back length, and I definitely reached that already. So clearly my next goal is waist length. It's not quite there yet, so let's go ahead and get into showing you guys really how long my hair is. I'm gonna stand up so you won't be able to see my face, but you can see like where my hair ends. All right, so here's the end of my boob and here's the end of my hair right there. So it's kind of a little bit past my boob. Like I said, I do want to get it to waist length, and waist length is, my waist is right here. So by my birthday, I wanted to get it right here. All right, so here's my hair in the back. If it's uneven, yes, I need my ends trimmed. Don't drag me. But the middle of my back is right here, and that is where my hair is. It's kind of a little bit longer, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I did just want to show you guys what's going on with my hair, my length check, and just share with you guys a few of the frequently asked questions, as well as my hair goals and where I want to reach next. So my next length check will be when I reach that goal. So if you want many little hair updates, and because I'm not doing a video until I reach that goal, but if you want many little hair updates, follow me on Instagram, because I will just show you guys my progress and stuff like that. And anything new that I'm using, I will show you guys on my Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it gave you some insight on how you can grow your hair as well. With the few little videos that I did pop up in the video, I did, like I said, show you guys my hair growth secrets, and how I straighten my hair, how I maintain my hair at night, how I wrap it and everything. So check out those videos too. They will be linked at the end of the video as well, so you can just click when you're done. And I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers, and shout out to 2020. We're really about to do it for 2020. Like, it's about to go crazy. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and go. I love you guys. I will see you in my next one.